We have been talking about nonfiction books. Remember, fiction books, I think of fiction as false. So, fiction books are made up books or stories. Nonfiction means that they are not made up, they are true, they are real. So today we're going to think about what is true about nonfiction books. Let's try to come up with a definition for nonfiction or informational books. This is something that is true about all nonfiction or informational books. Let's think about the book Hottest, Coldest, Highest, Deepest. This is a book that we have read that is a nonfiction informational book. It gives information about places that are the hottest, places that are the coldest, highest, and deepest. So as we think about that, we're going to think about a definition in the middle here. The definition of informational books is informational books give facts about a topic and are organized in a way to make the information clear. They often include special features that give more information. So oftentimes there's labels or there's pictures or diagrams to kind of help you understand what they're talking about even more. Today, I would like you to think about nonfiction or informational books. Now that you know what they are, you just had the tornadoes read aloud to you. So that is also a informational book, nonfiction book about tornadoes. Um, so I would like you to go to the internet, go to Google, and find 3 nonfiction or informational books and write the titles of the books in the box below. Go ahead and search. You can go ahead and type out nonfiction or informational books, and it should come up with some ideas for you. And maybe even click on images, and they would come up. The images should show you some books that are in that category. So that is your assignment for today.